All right. Hello, everybody. Incoming students, we are here to welcome you with a lot of tips, tricks, adjustment for everything that you're going through. Coming into college is a big transition, and in a pandemic, it's a lot harder. So we are here as Counseling Center to give you a little bit of information about our services, and we have some ideas for taking care of yourself during all of this transition. So I guess we'll start by introducing ourselves so you can get to know us a little bit. My name is Kyle Zintars. I'm a senior counselor at the Counseling Center.
Kate Wolfsliga. I am a licensed mental health counselor and the director of the center.
Hi, everyone. My name is Kara Placencia. I am a senior counselor at the Counseling Center.
Hello, my name is Jane LeBlanc, and I am the associate director of the Counseling Center.
So we are part of the crew of counselors who are available to you as students, and you'll see our lovely faces at a lot of different programs and workshops, and we'll talk a lot about where you can find us and how to get connected with our services. But we're here really just to talk about the transition into college, and there's a lot that comes up during our first year of college and some of the emotional experiences that we go through as we get acclimated and adjusted to everything. So as part of this, you'll hear just different experiences to expect, what you can look forward to, some exciting things, some nerve-wracking, anxiety-provoking things, and hopefully you leave here with some ideas for taking care of yourselves as best you can. We have services that are available to students. All of that is covered with your health fee, and there's no extra cost or any insurance involvement, so you have access to our basic counseling services for individual counseling, couples counseling if you're both students, and we offer a wide range of groups.
I can let people know that when you get here, you're going to have a string of buildings that are along the lake. That's Lakeside. We are inside that Mary Walker building, and we are going to be open 8:30 to 4:30. And we also, in addition to the services Kyle mentioned, we have walk-in crisis counseling or walk-in rapid access for students that just need to touch base or have something going on.
I was going to mention that even when we are closed, you can still get help. So we have a crisis hotline that you call the Counseling Center, and then you press 2 and you speak with a trained professional that can help you. And the next business day, one of us from the Counseling Center would reach out to you to see, do you need a follow-up appointment? Is there anything that we can do? Can we get you connected to services? So even when we are closed, in the evenings or holidays, you can absolutely still get help if you do need it.
We do have a lot of services that are appointment only, but we also offer services that don't require any kind of appointment. So if you are not sure you're interested in counseling, but just need to talk to somebody, I think especially, I remember my freshman year, it would be nice to have some extra support just to check in with somebody, to know what I'm going through is pretty normal for that. Our Let's Talk is a great place to go for just having that conversation. Not something you have to commit to. You drop in, you get to talk to one of our lovely counselors and just talk about what's going on, maybe get some ideas for taking care of yourself or dealing with some of those adjustments. So we do have a lot of different services that can be helpful for you in different ways. And we also have peer educators that you can be on the lookout for. Our COPE team, which is Counseling Outreach Peer Educators, you can be on the lookout just to talk with them as well. I think they're another great resource that we offer.
Lots of resources, including outreach and workshops. I mean, I think we could go on, but we're here for folks, that's for sure.
And I'll also just mention that for the students who are watching this ahead of or during the summer EOP program, our hours are 9 to 3, Monday through Friday, and we are going to have availability by appointment as well as some Let's Talk hours, and that information will be provided to you as well.